As a leader, a wife, and mother, I recognize firsthand the challenges we face as women in our leadership journey. In my 30 years of crafting my leadership journey with various companies in the financial services, manufacturing, and energy sectors, and as a business consultant, I have learned that the energy you bring to your projects, your jobs, your assignments are fueled by your passion. I have been lucky to identify my passion in helping people, teams, and organizations grow and thrive. Come, discover your passion, uncover your better selves, and unlock your potential in our 2023 Women in Leadership Conference, Finding Your Passion. Network with other female professionals and leaders and journey together as you explore themes around your leadership potential, transformational leadership, and team mastery. This two-day conference can change your life and your career. Join us on May 17 and 18, 2023 for this Women in Leadership Conference. Your passion, finding your passion.